We don't write menus in advance. We literally walk through the garden, get to know what's going on out there, and serve it. My name is Chef Jamie Simpson. I'm the executive chef of here, the Culinary Vegetable Institute. Yeah, we used a few varieties of flowers today that I have not used before, most of which came from our multi-species cover crops, and some of those specifically was flaxseed blossom. It was a little blue flower, very delicate. Buckwheat, picked a few of those, they were beautiful. Radish blooms, watercress blooms. Sunflower had a stage today that, I really admire. It's a cool plant. It's one of the few plants that offers all of itself, the stems, the shoots, micro sunflowers are delicious. The petals, even like the sunflower chokes, like an artichoke. Before they open, that little piece of thing, you can blanch those and sear them and they're really good. Today was a good day for flowers because it's sort of the thing right now.